My name's Luca. My name's Ed. Mixing paper by
I was going to sit in the middle. Shall I move? Thank you. I feel a bit underdressed here. Like the tattoos, boys, very impressive. And the muscles. I'll have to get down the gym. Right, you're not in the same class, are you? No. I was thinking yesterday afternoon. So, how did you get together to work on the song?
Because Ian and Ed are God brothers and lots of times, because he comes around to my house with him lots of times, so then practice.
So you always go around to his house to have some food, does he ever come to your house?
Sometimes.
And you practice when you're together?
Yeah.
Now, again, I know that these two boys were a little bit nervous about doing that, weren't you, at the beginning?
Yeah.
A bit. But, can I say, you've obviously conquered your nerves, and that was terrific, boys. Right, we are going to Alicia.
Wow, Luca and Ed, that was amazing. You should be so proud of yourself standing up in front of all these people and singing that song. And I have to tell you, that's one of my favourite songs, and you sung it so well. I'm so impressed. Well done.